Hello everyone, my name is Ghaniullah and I am one of the old students of Future Learning Center Lahore who made it possible for me to transit from Pakistan Nursing Council to Nursing and Midwifery Council UK. And this video is especially for all those who is thinking about to work in UK. So for which you all need to pass your language examination, either IELTS or occupational English testing, and CBT, your computer based examination. So for passing this examination, you need a complete guidance and support, which I got from Future Learning Center Lahore. And I'm very thankful to them. Their management is very friendly, and the good thing about them is their flexible lecture timings. So you can easily manage with your duties. And I want to owe my gratitude to Sir Charlinar, who make it possible for me. And it's just because of him I'm working in UK now. I think he is one of the greatest teachers I ever met. So I joined FLC in August 2021, and my first attempt, unfortunately, I got in 340 in my listening. So I apply for my next attempt within 1.5 months, and by the grace of Almighty Allah, I succeed. And now I am working here in UK. So guys, if you are thinking about to work in UK in future, and you are thinking about to prepare yourself for CBT or OET, so go and join the Future Learning Center Lahore, and I assure you all, you will not regret. Allah Hafiz.